Hi there. Today we're talking about the same thing we talked about yesterday, what I did today. And today I played with Character Creator 3 from Reallusion, and I exported 15 animation clips with the character, and they're all just poses. And I was also playing with the blend shapes that are attached to these characters and creating a few different emotions. So I have two arrays. One array is of all of the 15 animation states. The other array is of the 5 blend shapes that I have set up. So the blend shapes are different emotions. I have 3 smiles, 1 surprise, and 1 fear emotion. And then just various different standing poses. So all of these different poses will be used throughout the dialogue. That's the goal, at least. My main goal was to be able to create a system. Like I want to be able to have interesting dialogue boxes, but I don't want to have to do a whole lot of work to set that up. So skipping the actual animation part of that would save me a lot of time. So this is basically the way I tested that. I created the character with the 15 animation states. I set up some test blend shapes, and I created this debug script. So every 2 seconds for each animation state, I'm iterating through one of the different emotion shape or blend shapes that I'm using for emotions. So I could basically sit here and see all of the different types of animation and emotion states that I can call. And this would just be one line of code. So for each dialogue box that I have, there would be a matching emotion. And I would be able to pick through basically as many as I want. If I start adding a bunch of blend shapes, if I had 15, I'm not trying to do math right now and I don't feel like it, but 15 animation states and 15 blend shapes for each state, that's a lot of different combinations that I can have. And basically this lets me test them all and view them all. So I'll get a good idea of what the character might feel like as I'm displaying multiple dialogue boxes throughout the game. And this will help me develop their personalities and figure out what I'm actually going to write for the dialogue. And with all of that done, then I can actually start building the open world, because I would have an idea which characters would be where, what types of cars they're going to drive. I still have to figure that out, which might most likely coincide with their personality. But yeah, this was today's work, and it was an interesting test because I'm fairly happy with the results for what I found. It took about a day to come up with the system and to test the character, the first character that I made. So I can almost realistically see myself creating a character a day. So maybe 10 days I can have 10 characters. Those would be 10 good days. Which means the progress for the game so far is going pretty well, because I'm not hitting any snares. So yeah, I'm just going to keep at it. I'm going to create some more characters, start setting them up. Maybe I might actually toss this character into the dialogue box so I could see what it looks like. That would probably be the smart thing to do before I actually go and make more characters. Also look at how optimized this character is. Maybe I could optimize it a little bit more. Things like that. But anyway, that's it for today. Yeah, that's it for today. So see you in the next video.